Want to know the sneaky little editing trick top YouTubers use to make their videos look smooth, dynamic, and way more engaging? The best part, you can do it in CapCut for free, even if you're using your phone or PC. So stick around because I'll show you exactly how to pull it off step by step. So everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I share quick and easy editing tutorials to help your videos stand out. So if you love learning creative tricks like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips every day. So here's the sneaky editing techniques. It's called jump cut zoom and speed sync combo. So it's a subtle but powerful combo that adds energy, flow, and rhythm to your talking clips, especially for YouTube videos or vlogs. So the trick is to cut between sentences or slightly zoom in on one part and then speed up silent pauses or boring sections, and this makes your video feel fast paced and keep people watching. Alright, let's just jump into CapCut and do this together. So you can just add your talking clip or just record directly in CapCut. And you need to listen through and make cuts whenever you pause or take a break. Okay, let's say I'm going to cut in here and split like this, and you can delete the pauses. You can just delete it. So that's your first jump cut. Now select the other clip and add a slight zoom using the keyframe tool. So in here, I'm going to add a keyframe here on the transform, this one, and then I'm going to add or scale in here to add a zoom effect like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, like that. And then you can zoom it out again in the next section. Okay, go back to its original size like that. So this will mimics a camera angle change, a sneaky way to make one camera look like two. And for extra polish, you can adjust the playback speed slightly into around 1.05 or 1.1. So you can click on these clips in here and then go to speed and adjust the speed. So I'm going to go with 0.1. Okay, 09. So it will go like this. So it will add a natural rhythm without feeling rushed. And you can also layer a subtle camera shake or maybe motion blur transition in between the jump cuts because it will hide the cuts perfectly and adds movement. So this is how YouTubers make a fast pass edit look smooth without viewers even realizing what happened. And there you go, your very own sticky editing technique that makes any video look more professional instantly. So now that you know this trick, try it on your next YouTube video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also click on the thanks. So I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!